Here I have DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, then tap here, and here you have mirror. So when you have this feature enabled, like obviously photos will be mirrored. When you have it disabled, no mirrored photos, they will be just normal. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.